Hey, this is Brian back with a Filecoin update. Definitely one of my favorite coins to talk about. I cover a lot of different coins, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway at the end of every month. This month I'm going to give away 100 ADA, that's Cardano tokens, to one lucky subscriber. To enter, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button and you are entered. But let's go over some news first with this Filecoin. Then I'm going to get into this chart and some targets that we could be looking at here. Filecoin's FIL token gains 18% ahead of network upgrade. The upgrade scheduled to take place on Tuesday will give users the ability to perform more functions on the platform. It says here Filecoin's native token is rallying in the lead up to a network upgrade that would make the storage network programmable. FIL reached a high of $6.20 on Monday, up 18%. Isn't that something? This thing hit close to $240 during the bull run. I mean, it's pretty far down right now. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but boy, oh boy, this it's pretty juicy where the prices are at on this thing. It says that put the token up 15% for the month. Bitcoin, meanwhile, has just risen 1% this month, while Ethereum has risen 3% in the month. The wider crypto industry has also struggled over the last month, with the overall market cap dropping below the 1 trillion mark. Well, we're in a bear market right now, so Filecoin has this upgrade coming tomorrow. That's huge. You're going to see a rally usually for something, especially something as big as that. You know, you got some buying coming in down here in the market. And what we had here, Filecoin was following this support the whole way up here. We peaked out up here at $9.50 roughly, fell down through that support. Now today we are up 11.5%, and we have regained this, which was support. We've regained it as support. It looks like. We're going to zoom in here. This is Filecoin on the daily chart. Let's go in on the 4-hour and see what we got here. Yeah, it's definitely regained it as support. You can see the back test right there on this line, and I'm going to show you some targets I have here for this thing. But first off, I want to show you a couple reasons why I think this market is really pumping today. Number one is the DXY, the dollar index. If we go out on a daily on this chart, this thing has been following this trend line for a long time, the whole way back to May of 21. It's rode this trend line the whole way up here. Let me get down here a little bit so I can fit this in. Peaked out in October of 2022, and it's been falling ever since. It's come down. Now it has back tested that former support into resistance, and this thing keeps dropping. It's been dropping all day. I'm going to zoom into the hourly and show you this thing, how much it's you can see clearly the back test right there, and it's free falling right now. And of course, you know, the more the dollar falls, the more it costs to buy bread, milk, gas, crypto, whatever it is. You know, this fallen DXY, and it's caused, I believe that it's caused Bitcoin to really take off too. This thing is it's up 9.32% right now as I'm doing this video, and it's retesting this former, you know, it's retesting this high over here. It looks like it's going to get up there to do it, but I marked this zone earlier and it's already hit it. It had this former support here. It lost it, especially with the Silvergate news and the bank there out in California that went under, and it's regained that now as support. So Bitcoin's really up for the day. That thing just, you know, everything follows Bitcoin pretty much. It really does. That's the bottom line in this market. If Bitcoin's up, pretty much everything's up. But Filecoin has definitely, let me show you these targets I got. Let me put this back on the daily chart so we can zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to show you how I got these targets. First off, let me get this thing big enough so you can see what's going on here. We got to put a Fibonacci retracement tool on here. A coin will normally always bounce at least to the 50% range. But when you get a breakout, especially back into trend like this, I'm thinking this thing's going to come up to the 766 to the 845 range. And if we get through that 845, then we're going to be looking to take out this former high at 950 and set a new a higher high, which that's definitely what we need to do to continue a rally. So like I said, we got this back as support right here. I'm going to keep an eye on this throughout the night, and tomorrow we need volume coming in. We got some volume coming in. This is on the daily chart compared to back through here. You know, we got a decent volume spike. We need some spikes like this over here. So with this upgrade coming, we could get that. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. Thank you so much. The daily RSI is reset also. I want to make a point of that. I apologize. I really wanted to say that because when the RSI gets over exhausted like this, then you usually get a fall like that. But so it's reset. It's coming up, and that's what we need to continue this rally. You know, we got some signs that it's going to go up further, so no promises, but that's what it's looking like to me. So I'll check back in tomorrow. Everybody have a fantastic day. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much.